Today guys, pupunta nga pala kami sa People's Park and Museum. Me and my hubby are excited to visit the People's Park and Museum. So it's first time namin guys na makapunta dito sa People's Park and Museum sa Davao. And also, curious yung husband ko na makita yung museum guys at basahin niya kung ano ang laman dito sa museum sa Davao. Instead na ako yung ma-curious, well, I'm not very curious guys kasi hindi talaga ako into araling palipunan guys. Kasi nung nasa school pa ako guys, I really hate araling palipunan. But I don't know why, but I am very proud to our heroes here in Philippines and other peoples too guys na nagbibigay ng halaga sa Pilipinas and of course, their contribution. It was really amazing guys na nakabisita kami sa People's Park kasi napakaganda guys at fresh air, tapos peaceful and also clean, and then yung mga tao doon guys is really friendly, and then hindi sila masyadong tumitingin-tingin sa amin. Na-admire ko talaga yung places dito sa Davao guys, and I know Davao is really big city, but oh my God, I really love Davao. But you know guys, yung husband ko is nag-enjoy talaga siya guys, at palagi siyang nagsasabi sa akin na gusto talaga niya yung mga tao sa Davao, and then napaka-fresh air daw, tapos sobrang gandang-ganda talaga siya dito sa Davao guys. He did not expect guys na yung mga tao dito sa Davao is not really judgmental. Kasi doon sa place namin maraming mga taong na mag-judge sa kanya, and then we heard something like negative from us guys, but we just ignore and we don't care what people say about us guys. Also, to this pa lang kami dito sa Davao City guys, na-admire na talaga ng husband ko yung places dito and he wants to live here in Davao City in the future. So 1 hour lang kami sa People's Park guys and half an hour lang kami sa museum. Hindi rin kami nakapag-video sa loob ng museum guys kasi bawal at meron sila mga policy na dapat sundin. So we just follow their policies. So nagpictures na lang kami sa aking hubby doon, and then we enjoyed so much there inside of the museum. Tapos nagbabasa ako, sobrang dami pala guys, and then marami ka talaga matutunan guys kung basahin mo talaga yung nasa museum, kung ano talaga mga nangyari sa sinaunang panahon. After that guys, lumabas na kami sa museum, and then enjoy kami sa People's Park, and then nagpupo kami, and then nag-uusap kami about our experience today. If you want to visit People's Park guys, is hindi ka talaga magsisisi sa huli kasi sobrang ganda talaga. Kung sa video ay maganda, well, sa personal ay mas maganda talaga. Also, hindi mo talaga ma-feel yung init guys kasi sobrang mahangin. Kahit mainit yung sa labas, sobrang mahangin guys. There's so many trees and you really enjoyed so much. Also guys, marami ding mga foreigner dito sa Davao City na naninirahan. So, I'm sure guys, dito talaga sa Davao City is safe and beautiful kasi maraming mga foreigner na komportabling manirahan dito. So, maybe in the future guys is dito rin kami titira sa Davao City kasi gusto ng hobby ko, but we are not sure yet right now kasi marami pa kaming papupuntahang lugar para makita namin yung future namin. So, nagdasal rin kami ng hobby ko na God will give us the right directions and good places where we live. So wala na akong ibang masabi guys, is continue na lang pag-watch sa video ko. Thank you!